Yes.
Today, Madam, today there was a bail hearing of Gautam Khattar. What is the decision? What is the decision now?
Yeah, matter was in the morning at 10 a.m. Then it was kept at 12 p.m. Then finally at 2:30 now the matter was called out. We are for the interveners, and despite intervention, the bail has been granted. He has been granted bail on 30,000 surety, 15,000 two sureties in like amount, and he has to furnish 2 addresses of these local sureties, and he cannot travel outside India without the permission of the court.
These
And
are the
of course the regular conditions are also there, where he cannot intimidate anybody, he cannot destroy evidence. Those regular conditions are there. But one of the main conditions is that 30,000 he has to furnish as surety today only. If he does not furnish it today, then he will not be able to come out of the custody. Only after furnishing he will be able to come out of the custody. But despite the bail being granted, anyway bail is rule, we understand that. But despite bail being granted, the investigation is still on. He will still have to join the investigation whenever the investigating agency requires him to. And we will also be assisting the investigating agency, being for the original complainant. And even at the time of the trial, we will be intervening in the trial as well, maybe under 302 or so, 301 maybe, CRPC, where we will be assisting the prosecution. So at that time, we will fully support the prosecution. Today also the prosecution had sought for JC, judicial custody. So since the crime branch prosecution has asked for judicial custody, so perhaps that is also one of the reasons why the bail came to be granted.
Yes, thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank Siola for allowing me to step in this entire intervention application. One thing is certain that yes, bail is granted, that's not the end of it. He has to face the trial, nothing that is going to go beyond trial. One thing is clear, that we are going to assist the prosecution throughout, and justice is going to be done. It is the fact that yes, the sentiments of those at large have been hurted, but right now, since the bail is granted, no further comments. But one thing, there are also complaints against the organizers, which are also going to be taken up by us, and we have to see that yes, there has been abatement in this offence, and we are going to take the legal recourse towards the back end, and of course organizers the complaint, we will take the right way off. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Peter Babu, you were the first person to complain against this incident, and FI was lodged after your complaint. So today bail has been granted. So how do you look at this situation today?
Yeah, it is not this case what has happened right now. It's on an end of our investigation. I like to thank the Honorable Judge for taking the right decision of giving you a bail. It's acceptable sometimes. You cannot win all the time. But yes, I know and I'm very sure at the end the victory will be ours. We want justice, that these kind of incidents don't happen again. We want justice for our Christian community, as we are peace-loving people. So I like to thank our honorable lawyer, Advocate Siola, and also Advocate Melvin for coming and helping us with this particular intervention which you put right now. But I'm sure the further investigation, whatever is going to happen in the future now, we will know the right track is being followed. We know that we are winning again because we have the right evidence as well, and God is with us. That's the main thing. And also, I would like to thank all the Goans for supporting us, especially the other communities, that is Hindus and Muslims, for being part of our action, whatever step we have taken forward to get justice for Goa and for Goans. Because we are, again, all Goans are peace-loving people. आमी लोकां बारबर झगडी करपा नाका आमकां. आमी केन्ना जावं ना अशें करून, कित्याक आमी इवन पास्ट लायफ आमगेर आमी ल्हानपणसून आमी एकामेकाक हिंदूची घरां वयताली, मुस्लीम घरां वयतालीं. अशें केन्ना करूं ना आमी. And we don't want this to happen. We are only fighting because we want peace and harmony in our Goa. That is all what we are looking for. Thank you very much.